Check out these beautiful boho dresses. Boho summer style. What's bohemian fashion and how to style it rightly? Boho chic is one style of fashion for women drawing on different bohemian dresses and hippie styles. It is about looking natural and character. Long flowing dresses, headbands, the Lennon glasses, and the hippie style of look are the best style this year. What's bohemian style? Essentially, the bohemian style of dressing symbolizes the unstructured ethos of the hippie lifestyle. The hippie trend emphasized an eco-friendly connectedness to our nature, and natural fabrics like cotton and cheesecloth, together with floaty designs and fabrics, reflected the ideals. Signature bohemian outfits. Bohemian style and outfits are actually grounded in an idea to have the freedom to the layer and to combine various clothing items that will reflect your character. Even though the emphasis is mainly on a wide use of the free-flowing patterns with very light fabrics, it isn't to an exclusion of everything else. Actually, when we talk about boho clothing, adding fitted, like stretch vest tops and leggings, hardly serves to emphasize a looser cut of any other items. Obviously, the oversized outfit is a must. Fabrics good for the boho clothing. To keep up with the natural tone of earth-loving ethos, some of the natural materials include fabric for the boho chic style. Cool linens, light cotton, and hemp are good alternatives and fabrics that emphasize floaty, ethereal appearance, including lace, chiffon, or silk. The semi-natural look of faux fur also adds more to your style, and suede and leather are a fabulous choice for jackets and coats, boots and shoes, and accessories like bags and belts for this summer fashion. Colors that embody the boho look. Emphasis on the natural tone also has an impact on the main color choice for boho dresses. The autumn earth tones like rich tan, deep browns, or charcoal black are present, with the cool neutrals such as delicate taupe and beige, white and cream making one of the best appearances. However, that does not mean the bright colors will be left out altogether. By adding a touch of radiance with a jewel-toned hat or scarf will make the real statement, and giving an impact to natural contrast of other tones. Choosing best designs for the boho clothing. One defining feature of boho clothing is its layering. You are wearing the combination of various clothing items, and with emphasis on overall layered effect, instead of drawing more attention to a particular article. It means you have to choose the clothes that will match well, and without one article standing out. Besides choosing plain clothing, you have to ensure that your patterns are subtle and small. The little floral or classic mill flowers both are good options, or you can go for the delicate polka dots and subtle pinstripes. The ethnic prints will bring the beautiful ambiance to any look, but do not go overboard with print. One needs to understand that different options, like ikat print, are the best choice instead of something bold and big. When you are thinking of styling in bohemian dresses, these are a few factors that you need to consider. The beauty of boho style outfits is that there's various aspects to these looks. Take benefit of natural tones of the ethnic palette and add contrast to your outfit.